Guys, this is Miss Witherspoon again. I really miss you all, and I hope that you all have been safe and that you are completing your work and that you are spending time with your family. I want to give a big shout out to those students who are completing their assignments and sending me messages, checking on me, as well as making sure that they have completed their work and if they had any questions to um, message me. And I made sure to go back and message you back and answered your questions. Um, we are week 2 of our digital learning, and um, I'm just so thrilled of all the scholars that are completing their work. I really enjoyed reading Zerion's and Angel's and Samir's writing story as well as Angel. I want to give a big shout out to Dariana. She was definitely using her tact on her Google Docs and just top notch work. Sean and Lyric and Jonathan as well. Work is just steadily coming in, and I'm trying to answer and complete all questions. So let's look at our upcoming week. So if you look at your classroom, I've made just a couple of adjustments just to make sure that you can keep up and that I'm meeting all the needs. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. So you can look on your Power School on Thursday and you'll get to see your third quarter final grades. So please make sure you check on that. I'll do a Zoom meeting with you all tomorrow at 11 o'clock. We're going to all go online and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So if you look at this week's assignments, March 23rd through the 29th, you're going to watch the video. So the video is here. Some of you were telling me that you could not get on and it wasn't loading. All I did was just click on it, give it a minute to load, hit go, and you should be able to go right through it. You're reading the text and answering the questions. So I'm not sure why it's not working for you. Just make sure you give yourself enough time when you are clicking the load button on that. You also have, after the videos, you have main idea test cards and comparing and contrast test cards. Some of you were saying that you couldn't log into Boom, which I'm not sure why not, because I know if you're in my blocks, we get on there often, as well as Miss Ross' class. I've given everybody privileges to go on there. So to make it a little bit easier, if you're having a hard time going on Boom, I have your main ideal and comparing task cards here. Just focusing and honing in on those skills, comparing text as well as main idea. That's the standard that we're working on, RI9, where you're looking at integrating two texts. And so those are your two task cards here, as well as some online reading. I've uploaded chapters 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, chapters 22 through 26 front desk. If you have not completed those, I will go back and upload more. I'll just make it its own task because I know some of you are past that one, but I wanted to make sure everyone was able to get caught up before I upload them all. It's a really good book, you all. And you can also go on YouTube and just type in front desk audio and pick up on the chapter that you are. Excuse me, it's allergies. That's why I'm coughing. Go on there and just pick up whatever chapter you're on and finish up because it's such an awesome book. Please make sure that you're still working on your history project. Please send me any messages. I promise I'll get back to them. We don't know when we'll be back in school. We had the first 2 weeks off, so we have this week, last week, and this upcoming week, but I'll make sure to come right back on to answer any questions for you. Tomorrow at 11, we're going to meet with Zoom. I'm going to actually add the code under this video, but if you go I'm going to add the link so you shouldn't have to do any of this. But if you see, I'm going to give you a code where it's going to talk about hosting a meeting and we'll be able to meet online, all of us, so that I can see your faces and you can see mine and know that everything is just going to be okay. So tomorrow at 11, you're going to see where it says Zoom meeting, and I'm going to upload the code for you, and you'll just click on it, and then we'll all be able to just catch up, make sure there's no questions, make sure everybody else is getting on there. So under this video that I'm doing right now, I'm going to upload it into our Google Classroom, and then it's going to say online meeting. That means you'll be able to see me and I'll be able to see you, and we'll be able to talk and just make sure everybody's okay, make sure you don't need anything. The school is open for lunch if you want to pick up lunch from 10:30 to 12:30. Um, so feel free if you have not picked up your technology, or if a neighbor or friend missed the dates and need to pick up their technology, please make sure that relay to them that they can go by to school Monday through Friday and pick up their technology. All right, so if there's no more questions, I will look forward to seeing you digitally on tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Have a great day. Be safe. Get some rest. Do your work. Again, grades are turned in on Thursday. So I will finalize all grades. I will finalize everything you have submitted. So give me a minute. If you did not see a grade just yet, it is okay. I'm checking almost, 100 students, and it's just me. So please give me a minute and I'll make sure that everything is taken care of. I miss you all. If you need anything whatsoever, just send me a private message and I'll promise I'll respond back to you. If you don't believe me, ask the students on the list like Dariana, who messages me maybe 3 or 4 times a day. Anyway, I enjoy talking to her and she's doing such an awesome job. Have a great rest of your day and I miss you all and I'll see you soon.